Hey, Dr. Nussi here again. Today I'm actually going to take you through an office tour for our new office in Blue Ash. We've combined two of our offices. So this is going to be mainly for the patients that I haven't seen in a while that used to go to my other offices. Just want to show you what we've been up to. The new office, which is twice as big as both of our other two offices put together. It's got 2 floors. We've got a full gym downstairs. I want to show you the whole thing. So let's actually start out from the beginning. So we're gonna go back out here the front door. So again, out here would be the parking lot. You come in the front door and then into the reception area. So nice big reception desk with our logo here up in front. Then into the waiting room area here. Pretty standard stuff as far as the waiting room goes. There's our DVD playing up there on the TV. I can't actually take you back behind the desk or into this room because this is where we store files for patients, so it's kind of sensitive area. But this would be one of the consult rooms here, which I just actually stepped out of. One of the rooms there. And they're just kind of lined up down this hallway here. Another room here. So we're just kind of walking back past the desk here, walking back this way, and we just have rooms for consults lined up throughout. And then if you turn the corner here right off of the desk, we'll be going downstairs, and then I'll show you what we really like down there, which is our full gym, and kind of talk you through that. And then here's another one of our consult rooms. So if you kind of head back this way off to the left here, which again, most people haven't seen, this is actually our product room where we store all of our products. Lots and lots of products here, a lot of boxes. We stocked up for the new year. We were expecting high volume in the new year, so we've got a lot of products in stock. And then turn the corner again, walk back this way, a little storage closet over here, and then the bathroom, the main bathroom on the main floor up here. All right, so let's head downstairs now, going back this way, and then we just take a left. Oh, almost didn't show you my room. Okay, so here is my upgraded chiropractic room where I do my DOT physicals, my Department of Transportation physicals, and I still do chiropractic in this room as well. So here's my table. Again, for those of you that ever went to my Newtown office, I was always bumping into the wall trying to adjust people. It was so crammed, so tight space in there. So it makes me feel like a vice president of Microsoft or something having this much room. So there's my room. All right, now we are heading downstairs. I want to show you actually a unique part of this, which I wasn't actually going to do. So we're heading downstairs, but let me open this storage door here right off of the stairs. They explained this to us when we were looking at the space. There's another set of stairs, so if you can see, it goes into the storage closet, and there's another set of stairs that go up and then just get sealed off. So supposedly, the first person that built this out actually had 2 sets of stairs for some reason, one coming down this way and then one going up through here, and they just kind of sealed this off. Very unusual, but that's what they told us anyway. So coming down straight off the stairs, this is our shower room. So there's a shower in here for after you work out. Off to the right here is a little bit more storage, but we also film some videos in here, some testimonials, and anything we need a green screen with, we'll film in there. And here's our break room. It's our little kitchen with the fridge, the microwave, that kind of deal. So just a standard little break room. All right, so here is the gym, and we've been working on this nonstop since we opened. Got a treadmill here. We've got a full dumbbell set from 5s all the way up to 65s. We've got the battle ropes down there. The bench. We also have a full set of Olympic weights as well. So we got the cage with the Olympic weights, a bunch of core kind of stability bands. I've got a weighted vest here and balls and all that kind of stuff. All right, so let's head back out this way. Not really much else here. There's a bathroom in here, standard stuff, just a bathroom. More storage, and then here's kind of the back entrance. So I know, a little bit of a different video. I just wanted to kind of get a tour out there. I've done a tour of every one of my offices now. They're not always the most popular videos that I make. And please, again, excuse my casual nature. I'm here on a weekend when no one else is here. Everybody, until next time, stay happy and stay healthy, and I'll catch everyone in the next video.